So I'm going to walk you through every steps that you need to be able to import from Amazon straight from the USA, and they will ship it to your doorsteps in Ghana right here. So stay with me to the end if you want to know how you can do all these stuff, simple tips. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share to others, put your question, your comment and other stuff in the comment section. Buying from US to Ghana or Africa, we have 5 steps involved, and the 5 steps also have 2 methods involved. At the end, you'll be able to ship everything to Ghana or to Africa and make a profit from it. And US importation, we have 5 steps. The first steps here, the place and the platform to get the product. So it's either you buy it from eBay, you buy it on Shein, Swapper, you buy it from Amazon or Shopify. So all these are platforms that you can buy your item. And then the next step is sourcing the product. Payment method available for us to make payment to our product, and then the shipping method, and then the tracking method for us to receive our goods here. And the platforms, we have Amazon here. So go to your browser and search for Amazon. So I'll first go for Amazon, come to eBay. So I'll come to Amazon and hit on Amazon. So Amazon have different source of product that you can purchase from. And for Amazon, sourcing of product, this is how you can do it. The first thing, if you look at here, you need to create an account. So this is my account here. That's been what logged in. So you need to create your account. So you create your account here. After creating your account, the next steps is what? Your delivery location. I will show you how to do that. That's very important. So in Amazon, sourcing the product, we have all here. That means from all the categories and stuff that they have here. You have this search bar that you can use it to search for any product that you want. If you come to the L also here, you can select a specific niche that you want to search for. So for instance, I want electronics. I will select electronics, and then I come here and search for the electronic device that I want to buy. And then I can also go back and then say or I can hit on and then go to default. So you can search for anything here just using that bar here. Let me search for something like, so I'll search for so this microphone, like an art or something they have put about microphone will pop up here, and most of the time they have a sponsored to here. That means people are running an ad and stuff. And if you look at here, this is a microphone. So in case I want to buy this microphone, I won't just head onto it and start buying. So I'll scroll down here and select the type of microphone that I want. If I want wireless, I have wireless here. If I want a wired one, we have all this stuff. So you go in and select the one that you want. For instance, there's an ad about this microphone. It's a sponsored ad. You see sponsored ads. So all these are, anytime you see sponsored, they are all sponsored ads. I want this microphone. I'll hit on this one. That's I'm sourcing the product, right? So you need to follow me here. We have pictures that you can see about the product here, and this is the price of the product. If you look at here, they describe something small about the product. If you look at here, this is the seller items he has sold out, and this is what review. And then you can visit the store. So this one, this is the price. SLR, this is the price. Microphone plus interface, so this is the one too. And tripod, okay, we have the tripod one like this, and then we have this one also, the white one. So you see the prices, each one with its price. You can scroll down here and come to this section called about the item and read everything about the item here. You can scroll down here and then check others. While scrolling down, you see we have some similar items about the same thing, product that you are searching for. You scroll down, you see a lot of stuff about the same product. I want to purchase this one. What I will do is that I'll come here and select the type that I want. If I want this one, I'll just go ahead. I'll click on it and the price will change. So let's go down for you to see. So this is the price here. You see the price has appeared here. What you are going to do is to add to cart. If you add to cart, you can proceed to cart. Okay, so I want to proceed to cart. I will just click on proceed to cart, and then this drop down menu will appear. So this is the delivery address. I just added my delivery address and I will show you how to. So this is my former address here. So let's say I select here, and make sure you monitor this section right here, and then I'll go to use this as my delivery. So you see the price has changed. At first the shipping price was different. Now it also was different. So a shipping and handling price is what $74.959. And then the item, I already have some items out there, that's why the price is up. Here comes is the payment method. We have different payments. We have the available one is what? The gift card. You can use gift card. The next one is what? Your credit card. And then payment plan also here. And then other payments method is also available here. So you are in Ghana, definitely you go for the credit card and then go out and add my credit card details. To get a credit card for this one, what you're supposed to do is what? To go to your Play Store or App Store, download GCB app, and then create an account there, get your virtual card. I have a video about that, you can check it out. So once you are done, then you proceed to add your card, then you hit on add your card to add it. It will give you access to what? Proceed to make your payment. But before you make payment, you need to do something. One, if I choose this one, the price is, so let me select the account you, and let's check the shipping and handle, and then hit on set as shipping. So the shipping has changed here. That's why they change it here. Open a new tab and then search for this. I'll put the link in the description. So use that. It's a shipping company that we are going to use that will help us to get our item delivered in Ghana very easy and simple. And they ship to different African countries, Kenya, Nigeria, and stuff. So after open it, you create your account. So creating an account is very easy and simple to set your account. So after you have done creating your account, you open it. This will be your dashboard. So if you have an order, pending order in process and stuff, it will appear here. What you do is you go to my account address, then come here and select your country. So my country is Ghana, and then the shipping mode, we have air and sea. The air is very fast, take 1 to 2 weeks. The sea takes 2 to 3 months. So I'll go for the air, and then this will be the address details that you're going to. So this one here, what you're going to do is come to Amazon again. And then let's head to Amazon dashboard. If you see, we have delivered to. So what you'll do is what? Click on that one. And then here is what? You come to this side, say manage address. You hit on manage address. Then you come in and add new address. What you're going to do is come to this section right here and copy the US address. We have US address here, Canada address. But for Amazon, use the US address. So you copy the US address here, go to Google Docs. Then you paste the address. After that, you come here back to, then you paste all of that here. So the name section here will be your name section on account. So this is the name section here. So you copy all the stars here, then you come here and then you paste it. The number, not your Ghana number or your African number, the account number here, their telephone number here, you copy it, you come here, then you paste it. The street address here, you come to here, then you copy the state, the address. So you copy the first address. After copying the first address, it will automatically paste all the address included here. You select the city, and then the city too, yeah. Then you select the state, then you enter the zip code and stuff. That's when you are done. So when you are making an order on this side right here, if you reach at this point, you're supposed to select this one so that they will ship your item to account you, and account you will take charge of everything and send your item. So you have make your order. What you are going to do is that you wait for confirmation that account you have received your item. When they receive the item, then the item will be shipped to you. So if you look at this, I have combined the payment method, the sourcing of product, the payment method, the shipment and tracking and stuff for you. So this is the first method. The second method that we are going to use is an app, and also have a website that's going to do the magic for us. So open a new tab or go to your browser and type for this app. I put the link in the description. Golly Express, then click on it. So Golly Express is a shipping agent. They have a website that control everything. So the website, they have listed some goods, or they are being affiliated with Amazon to be able to access that, buy product directly from Amazon through Ghana and pay in your Ghana currency, Momo and stuff. So we get our items here. So after opening this, you go to the login details, then you log into this account. Go to your email address and get your email, the number that has been sent to your email address. So make sure you enter a right email address so that you will receive the code. So I'll come to this side, open this one, get the code. So this is the code here. I copy the code come back here and paste it, verify the account. So everything is set. If you look at here, we have Amazon here, eBay, and then we have our Shopify. So all these are platforms that you can buy directly through this platform or this website. So for instance, if I want something like the microphone, so the microphone will pop up and I'm going to look for the one that is what I'm interested in. And if you search it, you see that the platform which this product has been listed will be appeared here. Okay, you see the platform here. So this one is from Amazon, this one is from eBay, this one is from Shopify. And if you look at here, you see the date that it will listed. This one is a new microphone. This one is new. If you see new, if they use a refurbish, that one too, you will see it. It will be listed here. So if you look at this one microphone here, it says open box. That means you have opened the box. Okay, and it's on eBay. And then we have new and stuff here. So for instance, in case I want to buy this product here from Shopify, I'll click on it and then come in and read about it. So you see the price that we find here is what is an ad. They are using it for promo purpose. If you click on it, you see the actual price will be listed here. So what you are going to do is that you scroll down, read about it. So in case you want this product, you select the color. Which color do you want? They have blue there, they have orange, they have red, they have white. So let's use the white section and see how it will look like. The white is the white and there's the black and stuff. So you select it, select the quantity. Okay, so if you want 2, you select 2. If you want 1, you select 1. Then you come here and hit on add to cart. Then you go to open the cart. Then you proceed to make your payment. Use what? Pay this item. So I already have so many items. So you see I have 2 items here. That's why the prices. I remember I listed an iPhone, a phone here, Samsung phone. So if I remove it, this will be the total that I'm going to pay for this item, right? So if I hit on proceed, it will pop out here, and this is the price of everything that I'm going to pay for this one here. Now there's something important we're supposed to do here. Now if you look at this here, this one right here, we have home, we have order, we have shipment, we have invoice and address. The most important section that we are going to do here is to come to the address section. The address section, we need to make sure we include our Ghana address. Okay, the address that we have in Ghana. So in case they ship something, we can receive in Ghana. So this is my address here. If you want to change the address, you can just come to edit or you add a new address. So I come to add a new address. Then select search in my location. Like if you are in Eastern, search for Eastern and then you hit on this. So there are locations in Eastern region will pop up here. Then you hit on home. Then you enter the other details to create your address here. After you have done, there are ways and means if you want to place order. So if I go to order placement and click on cart here, proceed to cart here, you see we have something here. You see it's a local delivery option. So the local delivery option, we have change here. Hit on this one. Now, do you want to go and pick it in Accra? That one is free. But if you want them to deliver to your doorstep, you pay for it. So I'll come to here if I want to pick it in Accra and then select that one, then proceed to it. So let's look at how the payment method looks. So the payment, if you scroll down here, you have options on the payment here. Options are for the payment. We have credit card, we have mobile money, and we have bank transfer. You can choose any of this one to make your payment. If you choose this one, you add your credit and debit card. If you choose Momo, then you add your Momo address here. If you look at here, you have something here. It says these charges are collected separately once your package reaches Ghana. So this is what they are going to collect from you. These are estimated only. The actual amount will be determined by weight and size when your item reach our warehouse and may differ from the figure shows. So this is the estimated shipping. Okay, when they are shipping it, the estimated shipping, and then the handling charges, keeping them in their warehouse and stuff. So what they charge for it, because all items has the way that they need to keep it. So paying for it, this one means you are paying for the shipping fee and stuff. Sometimes you get to their shipping, their warehouse, and the price will reduce. Others, the price will increase. And note that this platform, Golly Express, they use only air. They don't use sea. And air shipment is very expensive. Sometimes you can ship an item and you'll be paying more than 1K or on it. I remember I shipped a laptop and I pay 1k for it. It's normal because air shipping is very expensive. In case you want a phone, I've created the phone shipment method too. You can check in this channel for that one. And if you want a step-by-step training for me to teach you importation from China, by US, UK, follow the link. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like this video, share to others to enjoy.